Hello. Today I will be explaining how to operate the learning platform Yabla and explaining how students can benefit from it in classrooms. So Yabla uses a unique video player to improve students' listening comprehension, vocabulary, and their spelling in a second language. So the home page, you're going to see the main 5 tabs, and then you're also going to see on the top right corner, sign in and subscribe. So you can subscribe to Yabla for $9.95 per month. It gives you unlimited access to all videos and all flashcards. But you can also just sign in for free, and you do not have to pay to use this website. Alright, so you'll also see the translate page tab, and this is where you choose your native language, so your first language. And right under here is where you're going to choose the language that you would like to learn. Let's go ahead and click on videos. So as you can see, there's 1,624 videos. So our filters are going to be important. So right here on the left side, you're going to see that you can filter by difficulty. So beginning from beginner to advanced. And this is really effective because it could be used with a variety of learners and ability levels. You can also choose your videos by category, by most recent, or always by just typing in the name of the video. So we'll go ahead and type in on that. So when you search and you choose your video, it'll have the title and your description in your native language. So this one's in English. And then you'll see that it says the difficulty is intermediate, and it shows in this little Yabla TV icon. And another really nice thing about Yabla is it gives you the origin of the video. So Mexico. And that's really nice because it enhances the learning because you can listen to native speakers from different countries. So, and there is a difference between the countries. So between Mexico, Colombia, Spain, they're all going to have a little bit of their own version of Spanish. So I want to listen to Mexican Spanish. And if you want to study before watching the video, you can always review their vocabulary. I'm just going to provide you with all the vocabulary used in the video. So if I wanted to start to review some of these, kind of have to do a quick review, and it'll let you know if you got it correct or incorrect. So you can either exit to get out of here once you feel more comfortable, or you can click on watch the video. So we're going to watch the video. So real quick before we go any further, we have some cool tools here. So we have back, play, and skip. So if we press play, it'll play the video, and you can see here that it's showing captions, that it'll transcribe it. So in this language that it is speaking, and then it'll also translate it in our native language. And on the corner right here, you can either hide both of them, you can show one or the other, or you can show both of them. I like to show both of them. Say you want to skip this part. The video is separated into little sections, so whatever you skip, you're just skipping that one section. So let's play it, and then I'll show you what slow does. So say that was just too fast for you to understand. You can go ahead and click on the slow, button, and that'll just slow down the video so it's easier for you to understand. You can also do loop, and loop is just going to continue to play whatever section that is highlighted. On the right side, you're going to see the integrated dictionary. So you click on a word that you're not too sure of, it'll give you the definition, every definition. Or you can always type in a word. Let's say, and you can either type it in Spanish or you can type it in English. And then it also gives you the definition in English or your native language, which is very helpful. Okay. So an interactive portion of this tool is the games. I find it very helpful, very fun, especially for review. So after watching the video, you can do like a vocabulary review. That's that first one that we tried. So watching the video, you could do fill in the blank, multiple choice, scribe. And this is nice because it has you listening, so you can replay the video, and what it's asking you to do is to write what you're hearing. So click out of here. Alright, so now let's exit the video and move on to the next tab. So flashcards. So when you're using flashcards, to fully use this tab, you're going to need to pay for the subscription. But Yabla does give you access to some of the most common words that are used in flashcards, so you can still review these words. And it's really useful because it saves time during class than you would be using it to make flashcards. And also it's efficient because your students can't say that they forgot their flashcards for the day. So we can go ahead and review the words, and it'll just prompt you to go through the words. And you can choose if you think you know it or you don't know it. If you don't know it, it's going to give you a definition, a sentence, and then a translation. So you feel comfortable with using the word. And the next tab is lesson. So this is where we can focus on grammar, verbs, different pronouns, phrases. This is nice because when the kids, if they just need a refresher, they can click on one of these and it'll just get a quick review of different verbs or grammar rules. And lastly, we have educators. So this is for teachers, and if teachers sign up for a school account, each student will have a login, and the teachers can assign activities, they can set goals, monitor students' progress, and then it could be used as a warm-up every day. Alright, and that's all. Thank you.